Welcome. Hello there. I'm your host, Mrs. M. And if you haven't, make sure you click the link below to register for my channel. That way you receive all the information on what you need to do to grow your cleaning business to six figures and beyond using federal government cleaning contracts. Welcome. So, do I need to be registered in beta.sam.gov? Which are the opportunities that are $25,000 and above. This is where all the opportunities are listed. Anyone can go there for free, absolutely free. Beta.sam.gov is where all the contracts are for 25,000 and above for cleaning contracts and others, but we're specifically talking about our industry, which is cleaning contracts. So the question I received is, do I need to actually have an account to utilize beta.sam.gov? And the answer is no, you do not need an account to utilize the system. But the great thing about creating a free account, which everything in SAMS is free, and beta.sam.gov. Now there's SAMS registration, which is what you need to actually do business with the federal government to get those juicy government cleaning contracts. But if you're interested in finding the contracting opportunities, that is when you're going to visit beta.sam.gov. Now, when you create an account, which is very simple to do, probably in about 5 minutes, what it allows you to do is to download solicitations that you're interested in. You cannot do that if you're not registered. And it also allows you to save your searches. So any search that you have, you can save it. And there's a couple other things that's great. You can look at some of the vendor lists. So there's an advantage to registering with beta.sam.gov and creating an account. And that way you can do all those and more. Now, those solicitations sometimes can be anywhere from 70 to 80 pages. They're pretty involved. If you'd like to know more about how you can learn what everything, all the sections in the solicitations, then make sure you register for our How to Win Big in Government Cleaning Contracts Masterclass. We go over the solicitation and you learn so much more when it comes to this particular masterclass. So if you're just getting started or if you're seasoned and you want to learn more about the particulars when it comes to winning government contracts, how to win big, and I mean big, not the small ones. And of course, you want to start out slow and then grow. For those of you that may not have the financial or the capital as far as people resources, but it's a great place to get started and to learn all the different parts when it comes to the DUNS number and registering in SAMS and how to create your profile and should you register in beta.gov and all of that and more. Then make sure you sign up for our masterclass, which is How to Win Big in Government Cleaning Contracts Masterclass. I'd love to see you there. Click the link below to register. And if you really want to know much more and you want to give us a call, we'd love to help you navigate your way when it comes to actually winning federal government cleaning contracts. We may be reached at 407-595-1598. And I'm your host, Mrs. M. Click the link below to register for our How to Win Big in Government Cleaning Contracts Masterclass. I'd love to see you there. We do a Q&A right after the presentation. And until next time, make sure you stay safe and take care. Bye-bye.